Hey guys, what's up? Kenny Games here. And to start off, sorry about the mic. Something's been really wrong with my integrated mic from my computer. And if you do hear a lot of background noise, and once I publish this and it's bad, I'm just going to delete it off of my channel. But getting into this, guys, yesterday I went to go see Step Up 4 on the way home from a trip that me and my mom went on. But there was not one. I was like, let's go see something. And the only thing that was playing at the time when we were at this theater was Step Up 4, that or Ice Age, and I was like, let's see Step Up. So I knew that this movie wasn't going to be like an Oscar-worthy, oh my gosh, it's so great. But all I wanted was some really good dancing, and that's really all I was looking for in this movie. But there was a couple other things that I thought were pretty good, and most of the other things were pretty bad, but let's get into it. So what I liked was, first of all, the dancing, and it was really good. You could really tell that they really took their time on this, and they didn't rush it, and they really gave all of their best with it. But some scenes did kind of linger a little bit, and some were more interesting than others, but still, overall, the dancing was good. And also how this movie was shot. I thought the director did a really good job on shooting the movie. It looks really good. Some of the effects that they do is really good. It can really show. And it's really bright and vibrant. And actually, I thought the 3D really worked for this movie. It was pretty good, surprisingly. There are some gimmicks that they could try to do with the 3D. But otherwise with that, yeah. Oh, and also I liked how they kind of, I'm not going to spoil it, but I kind of liked how they got some cameos from previous Step Up movies. And if you've seen the third, you'll probably guess who the cameos are. But you have to see 3 to get who the cameos are, but, but that's not later towards the movie. And now with the bad. Now, you can totally tell that these people are not actors. These are just dancers. Their acting is terrible. They have, oh my gosh, we gotta go do this. We gotta go do this. They're, over-exaggerating, and especially the girl got on my nerves a little bit, Emily. She can be a little bit frustrating to listen to, and she can be a little sissy, but all these kids, it's just whoever wrote the script is just pretty much taking what normal teenage college kids would say, and there's no really good script to go with it. It's just oh yeah guys, let's go, let's get wasted, and then we're gonna have to do this and to win our competition. And then towards the end of the movie, it gets really stupid. There's this one whole thing towards the end of the movie that makes kind of why would you do that? This makes no sense. For a revenge or something, and then they give no time to develop the characters. They're just oh yeah, this one thing happened. Oh, I'm gonna be mad at you. And then 5 minutes later, oh yeah, let's all make up now. There's no in between. What happened in between that? And also the ending. Oh my gosh, what the heck happened with this ending? I'm trying to say give it away. I'm trying to say this ending without giving it away, but it's pretty much involving the people they're fighting and how they conclude on doing this, their choice. I don't know why they're fighting this one person the entire movie, and then they just oh yeah, we're gonna do this, and that's gonna totally make this end of the movie better. And I don't know why, but I did also think, this is kind of a nitpick for me, but I kind of did think the last dance scene was a little bit too long, and I really did. I really thought it was a little bit too long. But the movie itself was actually really good paced. It wasn't too long, it wasn't too short. I thought it was good for a Step Up movie. Personally, I still think that Step Up 3 was my favorite, because I thought it just had characters that I actually cared for, and the 3D really worked there. But also the kind of story, the side story of with Emily, it's not interesting. You don't really care. It's most of the time you do not care about these characters, so I don't even know why. But if you are a Step Up fan or kind of like dance, Like, I just kind of saw it because I like to see some pole dancing. You will like this movie, but do not expect any, like, Oscar-worthy performances, anything like that. It's just kind of like a fun hour and a half, and I definitely recommend you check it in 3D. Looks really good. So until then, guys, King of Games, out.